Trees planted in the past 2 years have thrived in the West Michigan climate, setting a foundation for more retailers offering local sweet cherries, a fruit typically trucked in from the West. Trellis systems are integrated into all plantings. These structures house a cover system that protects blossoms in times of frost and the resulting cherries from hungry birds and splitting rain. These covers are key to the viability of sweet cherry production in Michigan's seasonal fluctuations. A new packing line dedicated to sweet cherries processes fruit grown throughout the state, utilizing the latest technology. Size sorters create a consistent pack for retailers, while defects are moved through the bulk to be processed into juice. This, paired with hand sorting and watchful workers, ensures that only the best fruit makes its way into packages. With more plantings and orchards transitioning to sweet cherries than ever before, Michigan is poised to be the next commercial supplier of the great summer fruit.